This is a preview of stock sectors, short-term swing trade planning, and this video is done every other week, and then every other week Arvi brings in other things for you to see that are just great analysis, and these are for levels 2, 3, and 4, so you need to become a member if you want to see this entire video. He's going to show you Monster MNST, which is in the beverage category, and it is quite a positive pattern.
If we go ahead now and move over to the other beverage stock, which is acting great, let's pull up Monster MNST. Again, you can see what's happening here, just very tight near the all-time highs and really very likely to push through that. A key low also formed here in mid-October, turned up very sharply and still likely headed higher. You can see the levels coming in from 107.5 to 113.5. A very strong pattern here in MNST and certainly favors a bullish bias. On the daily, this is what we see. You can see a nice bullish earnings gap, big doji right there. So we're watching to see if this can form a flag post earnings. Our next low here is due 11:15 to 11:28, and our zones on the downside come in 96.60 to 94.12. We don't want to see it below the minor 78.6 at 92.35. And on the upside, we are looking for a move through 143, and the 127.2 comes in at 103.35. Okay, so this is what we do for every one of our trade ideas. We share the overall logic along with our levels on the upside and downside. As price gets into those zones, we would then go ahead and publish an idea for our level 3 and 4 members at askSlim. Okay, so that's the overall picture here. In MNST favors a bullish bias, and we're watching for a small flag to build out here and then a move back to the upside.
Great work on that, Arvi. I love the conversation about Pepsi, which you showed just before that, a blink on those charts, which came from that entire video that you gave. Great work looking at short-term swing trade planning.